Hi friends! So here is my testimonial about my travel experience with BeHappy Tour. Recently, I have to travel for medical and work purposes. During this new traveling era, traveling is not as simple as it used to. When I travel to another country, it's not just need currently a flight ticket, accommodation, and a visa, but it also needs several other government-related documents from our government and from the travel destination's government. BeHappy Tour has helped me with the flights, accommodation, visa, and all other travel documents needed. BeHappy Tour has made my travel experience smooth and seamless. For example, there are so many flights connections and BeHappy Tour makes sure my transit time is the shortest and the travel time is not too late and not too early. So it's enjoyable for me to travel by air. There are also so many choices for accommodation. BeHappy Tour has helped me choose the comfortable accommodation that can accommodate for 11 days of quarantine. I am personally very happy with BeHappy Tour services, especially with this new travel era. I get less worry of traveling and just enjoying the traveling experience itself. Thank you, BeHappy Tour. Bye.